Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is August 8th, 2025, and here's your latest update on SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SON, along with a practical trading strategy for this exciting AI and voice recognition tech company. SoundHound AI has been making waves recently with a powerful breakout. On August 7th, SON stock surged about 14%, climbing from around $11.38 to $13.19. Well above analyst price targets. This explosive move was backed by heavy trading volume, signaling strong investor interest in SoundHound's rapidly growing AI platform. The fundamentals are looking strong. In Q2 2025, SoundHound reported revenue of $29.1 million, a remarkable 151% year-over-year growth. The company expects full-year revenue between $157 million and $177 million, nearly doubling last year's $84.7 million. SoundHound also boasts a solid backlog of $1.2 billion in book contracts, up 75% year-over-year, and holds $246 million in cash with no long-term debt, which supports its growth ambitions. Key partnerships with automotive leaders like Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, and Kia, plus enterprise clients such as Chipotle, are driving demand for SoundHound's voice AI technology, enhancing its real-world adoption. Technically, SON has key support levels near $11 to $11.50, with resistance around $13.50 and $15. A break above $13.50 with volume could open the door for a rally toward the $15 to $18 range, where some analysts have set price targets. Here's your trading strategy. For short-term traders, look for opportunities to buy near support around $11 to $11.50 with tight stop losses below $10.80 to manage downside risk. Watch for volume and price strength as confirmation for entries. If the stock breaks above $13.50 on strong momentum traders could consider riding a possible move toward $15 or higher, especially if new partnership or revenue growth news hits. For long-term investors, SoundHound remains a high-growth but not yet profitable AI stock with volatility due to its emerging business model. Use dips to scale in, keeping an eye on execution against its $1.2 billion backlog and market adoption progress. Upcoming catalysts include the next earnings report on November 11th, 2025, and any announcements around strategic partnerships or product rollouts. That's your SoundHound AI update and trading plan for August 8th, 2025. Are you trading the voice AI momentum or holding for a longer horizon? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more timely stock insights.